septic system replacement. What we have going on is we have a septic tank that is currently exposed on the outlet side, and they have the sewer in between the tank and a 3-hole D box currently exposed. Orangeburg is in the ground right now. Existing lines exit 100 plus feet under the fence, continuing another 80 feet over and over. You can see actually the line there, and then over and over another line. Seems to be shorter or not quite as bad. With that being said, what the plans call for is we have to install a pump chamber right here, then run a sewer in that direction 10 feet off of the propane tank, distribution box going somewhere over there, and then we have to run 5 filtration lines over there. So furthermore, from that D box, we're going to run header line, header line, header line, header line, so 5 different lines. And then each one of the drain field lines has to be 90 feet going that way, about 26 inches deep, all easy flow. So with that being said, we have to run electrical, add another couple breakers inside the breaker box, which you already saw has plenty of room. And of course, we have to upgrade the sewer as it exits the building, because it appears to be 3-inch, has to be upgraded to 4-inch as it ties into the tank. We'll also upgrade the tank to have a riser on the outlet side and a filter. And of course, we'll have a concrete septic tank with a riser as well, exposing the N98 Zoller pump. This field is calling for 75 minutes to the inch when it comes to filtration, so not terribly great. I'll go ahead and discuss with the AOSC the possibility of installing a pump system with a timer or dosing instead of an on-demand. So we'll see what he says. Oh, also, points of concern. So obviously this is all grass, nice and soft. We do have a double door fence right here that would allow for an excavator or equipment to enter through the back, but it wouldn't allow for a truck to bring back the septic tank. We'd like to check in with the homeowner to see if their fence guy can help us with the removal of that side and that side, and then talk to a concrete place about what do they do to properly support the environment so that the truck can make it to the point of drop-off. Okay, this should be about a 3 to 5 day project. That's what we got.